everyone, welcome back to my channel Grooming Moms. Today we will learn about noun. Before starting the video, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. All about noun. Introduction. Today we are going to learn about noun. What do you need to make a complete sentence? Nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are used in sentence. There are many types of noun: common noun, proper noun, concrete and abstract noun. Person. Nouns that are people are boy, girl, teacher, doctor. Can you think of more? Place. Nouns that are places are school, home, store, park. Can you think of more? Thing. Nouns that are things are chair, pen, ball, clothes. Can you think of more? Now, quiz time. Which word is a noun? Cat or a run? Answers in comment below. Next one is, which word is a noun? Jump or nurse? Answers in comment box. Thank you. If you like the video and want part 2, please comment. Thank you for watching.